Hello guys, welcome to Creativity Boost. Today we're gonna show you how to make these awesome lights. Let's get started. Our bathroom, as you can see, is a bit dark, so we removed this panel up here. This is where we are gonna put the lights. This is the panel we took out. We will put our LEDs here. We are gonna need wires, a solder, a wire stripper, some soldering, preferably with flux, LED strips, and some cables. There are 7 sections in the long pieces and 6 in the short. We are going to use 3 short pieces and 3 long pieces, but you can mix them up. Cut the copper pieces very straight. From one copper piece to another is a section. Don't forget to cut them very straight or it won't work well. Now, let's take the insulation off our cables so we can solder them to the LED strips. There are 7 pieces of each red and black wires. Remember that the red wires are positive and the black are negative, or it will not work. Now, let's cut holes on the panel so the strips don't overheat. Put them about every 3 inches. Next, we need to cut little flaps for cables so they can go out. Thread the LED strips through the holes you should have running through your panel. You might need to push them out with something to make it easier. Repeat this until you are satisfied with the amount of LED strips. We have now tested it and it works. Now we just need to solder a 12-volt DC adapter, which you can buy using a link in the description below. Make sure this DC adapter has enough amperage to supply the lights. You can see a detailed chart of how much amperage is needed to supply an amount of LEDs in the description below. You might not see it now because it's light outside, but the lights are on. Now, let's put the panel back in. We're done. They do take a while to turn on though, but they look cool and give a lot of light. We hope you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye!